So this is the core sort of HTML stuff that you would have no matter what you're doing, and then we can just type in like hello world. Now we'll want to save this somewhere, so let's go ahead and do that. So we just go down to our command window, and the first time we can't just hit save. We actually have to do save as, because what it says here, it says the buffer means this area up here is untitled. Please enter a name. So when we do save as, that gives it a file name. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in the project is going to be the first part. So we'll just say Fenton's test project, and then I'm just going to call this test.html. That's the name of the file. And if we do an ls/, we can actually see, okay, now there's the project V and the Fenton's test project. And if we just do an ls, that will show us which project, the files that are in the project that we're currently working on. So right now there's just these files here. So we can go on to make a cascading style sheet here and link it according to the different tutorials. But one of the things that's quite handy to do is this thing called preview. So let's do that. So preview, so we just type in preview. And what this will do, theoretically, if it works, well, I don't see it doing much here now. So let's just open up Firefox and see if that works any better. So we can open up Firefox. And let's go to the same place. I don't know why there's no URL. That's fine. Forget about let's go to Bespin. Oh, what's going on here? Let's make it a bit bigger. Too many things going on. The poor computers. Bespin. And then I can log in here. Eventually it will show up, and I have an account, so Fenton, I think that's my account name. So here I am, and I can do an ls/. Okay, yeah, it's all the same place. So let's just say open, and we want to do Fenton's, so we'll tab that out, hit enter, and then we see that that's up there on the top. And let's try doing preview here and see if that does anything. So it does work here, but the main point is to get this URL, because you can take this URL, copy it, and you can put it in over here in DreamHost, or sorry, Chrome, and just paste it over here, and it'll work fine too here. So now we have it in Chrome, and my video is finished uploading, so we can just close that. So we have things in Chrome here, and now we can just go ahead and make changes. Hello world, this is my change, and we'll save it. Just type in save, enter, and if we go over here and hit refresh, we see the changes. So this is how we can sort of gradually, slowly build our website. Now let's go back to the shared project. So let's type in open, and we'll say project V, and the to home, tab it out, dot, tab that, hit enter. And we may, so now we've got this Wagyu steak style site up. We type in preview here. It may or may not work. Doesn't seem to work. I think Chrome like blocks these pop-ups. So let's just do it over here. No big deal in our Firefox. Open /project V /tohome.h. Whoops, sorry. You can also hit up arrow to get your last command, and then I forgot to tab that out. So so it's opened up here. This is that Wagyu meat thingy. And let's type in preview here, since that seems to work a little better in Firefox, and boom, here's the site. Seems to be missing some stuff, but no problem. But let's throw that back into our Chrome. Bada 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 boom. And oh, there's the rest of it. I don't know why it didn't show up here, but let's kill it there. We'll just so we see we can make changes here and just say, well, you know, this bottom part doesn't look so good, but let's stop the tutorial for now because this is already a long video. So let's stop it now.